Today we celebrate the most effervescent love, two wildly fun people, wildly in love with each other in their best outfits, declaring to you guys, their closest family and friends, that the love they have found is enough to sustain them for the rest of their lives. There is a bunch of gorgeous humans who stand alongside Blake and Danielle today. The lads, Oliver, Matthew, Ricky and Lucas. Never have four men been better wingmen or more terrible influences than the four of you. You're all dead set legends and he is honoured that you stand beside him today as he marries his beautiful girl. To the girls, Anna, Andrea, Jessica and Michaela. Danielle's ride or dies. You are so deeply loved and treasured. You are right by her side through every moment in life. And what more special moment is there than the day that she becomes a wife?
Blake, I used to think there would never be anyone deserving of Danielle's love. But that changed when you entered her life. I'll never forget a couple of months into your relationship when we were hanging out and I glanced over at you and I caught you looking at Danny. Obviously, I've been watching you like a hawk ever since. But the look you gave her was something I'll never forget. You looked at her like she was home. And here we are 9 years later and your love continues to inspire me.
My squish, my soon-to-be wife. As bizarre as it may seem, I've known this day would come in one way or another since the beginning. You make me a better person and you make me constantly want to be better. A better man, a better father, a better husband. I promise to respect you, the mother of our two beautiful, amazing little girls. Fuck.
It's okay. You can cry.
No.
Yes. Do it.
I promise to always be there for our baby girls, to pick them up when they're down. Fuck! Motherfucker. To pick them up when they're down, to offer advice and wisdom when they start making their own mistakes. To hold their hand and show them the way. Even though it would seem they show me the way more often than not. Motherfucker! Hello, my girl.
You are my 1,000-year-old egg. To my conji, as my life would be plain without you in it, and that would be boring. I promise to accept and love all your personalities, and there are a lot. I promise to always say I'm going to pair the socks and never do it, just to make life more interesting for you and always keep you guessing. I promise to always be your safe haven, to always extend my aura and wrap you in love, to always be your confidant, the person that makes you feel at home and unconditionally loved.
Blake, man, I couldn't be prouder of you. It's truly an honor after all these years to be standing here as your best man. Me and Blake didn't have brothers, so we have a bond that's kind of hard to describe, but I can tell you, it's more than just a mate. And to be honest, even though it might be your wedding, but this is truly one of the happiest days of my life. Which leads me to you, Danny. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what you did or how you did it, but something in Blake changed when he met you. And I can tell you it changed for the better. You gave him love, a family, You gave him a reason to step up and be the man he was always meant to be. He's lucky to have a woman as you, so cool, caring, and patient, in his corner now and forever.
Honestly, if I'd have told you 10 years ago that we'd be sitting here in this room, I would have laughed in your face. Blakey, mate, you are punching well above your weight. We've heard that a few times tonight, and it's true. But really, it is impressive what the two of you combined have managed to pull off. You have made the impossible possible, and that is truly inspiring.
I promise to always be your headstrong wife and let you know what I'm thinking when I think it, to speak my mind and to never sugarcoat it.
I promise to keep pretending with a smile on my face that the sock situation or washing in its entirety bothers me way less than it actually does.
I promise to be by your side even when the world feels against you, to make you smile when you're down, to make you laugh even when you want to cry, to share every moment, good or bad.
I promise to always be there for you. I will always listen, console, laugh, smile, and be your other half till death.
It gives me great pleasure, therefore, to officially pronounce you husband and wife. Blake, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
Beautiful wedding.
We did it! Oh my gosh, we're married!
I really need a pee.